Good afternoon, students. Now we'll study exercise 10.3, question number 3. Construct triangle ABC with BC 7.5 centimeter, AC 5 centimeter, and measure of angle C is 60 degree. Now this is called SAS criteria. Now here two sides are given to you and middle angle is given to you. So now we will draw the rough sketch first. In the rough sketch we will keep this C on the on the left hand side. So I will draw a rough sketch so that you will understand. Now as you can see rough sketch here, I will keep my C here so that I can make a 60 degree angle with the help of protractor. You can keep C here as well, but if you are making C here, in the protractor you have to take the above one. There are two measurements are given. પહેલું છે એ નીચેનું છે 0 થી અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય છે which is start from right and it increases when it goes to left. અને બીજું છે that is starts from left and it increases when it goes to right. So આમાં તમારે બહુ જ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે. You have to keep C on the right left hand side so that you can take the measurement which is the below one. Okay, now if I'll take C here, okay, and if I'll keep my B here, then this one is my A. So my triangle ABC is given like this. Okay, now BC is given to you which is 7.5, so this one must be 7.5 centimeter. AC is 5 centimeter. So you have been given two sides and the middle angle. Now how will we construct it? Let's see it. With the help of scale, you have to make BC or you can say CB of 7.5 centimeter. So I'll keep so you can see here my 0 is here. So I put a point on 0 and my 7.5 is 7 and 8. So it will be in the middle between 7 and 8, that is this. So you can see here 7.5. So I have to join these 2 points with the help of scale, and that is my line segment BC, or you can say CB. See, I have to draw it very carefully. You have to draw very carefully, children. Okay, now this is my C, this is my B. Now I have to take C as point and make a angle of 60 degree. So now this is my C, okay, and I have to make an angle of 60 degree. So with the help of protractor I have made an angle of 60 degree, that is here. So I got a point. Now I have to make an angular ray. My angular ray is this. This is my angular ray. So this measurement becomes 60 degree. Okay, and this measurement is 7.5 centimeter. Now my BC is ready, my angle C is ready. Now what is left? AC. AC is of 5 centimeter. So now I have to take this compass, okay, then with the help of ruler I have to take a measurement of 5 centimeter, and that is here. You can take it, you can see with this, yes, this is my 5 centimeter. Now I have to take C as a center, okay, and cut on the angular ray, an arc. So this is my arc, and this arc is cutting this or intersecting on this point, which is my A. Now simple, this is become 5 centimeter. Now I have to join A with B, and my triangle is ready. So I have to join A with the B. You don't need to worry about the third line measurement, as it is not given. Here it is not given, AB is not given, so we don't need to worry. So this is how my triangle ABC is made. Okay, now you have to write steps of construction. How will you write? First you have drawn BC, line segment BC, which is of 7.5 centimeter. Then you have, with the help of protractor, you make an angle of 60 degree on point C, and you have drawn an angular ray, and on that angular ray you have take C as a center and cut an arc of 5 centimeter radius, and that point is point A. Now you have to just point A and B, you have to join these 2 points, and your triangle ACB or ABC is ready. Okay, now